Most AI video tools can generate a shot. Video coding generates the whole film. This is not text to video. This is research to film. Give it a prompt, a PDF, a file, or a paper. It researches the topic, decides what matters the most, and turns it into a video people can actually understand. A lead director shapes the story. An audio director locks the voice, music, sound, and pacing. A visual director builds the scenes, motion, and final visuals. And when a model cannot produce the shot, video coding builds it with code.
Right now, deep inside you, a microscopic miracle is happening. You are a universe made of 37 trillion cells, and every single second, millions of them divide to keep you alive. But before a cell can divide, it must perform an impossible task, perfectly copying the most complex code in the known universe, your DNA. This isn't a passive blueprint sitting in a dusty library. It's a roaring, high-speed biological factory. Listen to the rhythm of life at the nanoscale. The entire process begins with a biological motor called helicase. Spinning at an incredible 10,000 RPM, it forcefully unzips the DNA double helix, exposing the raw genetic code inside. Once separated, the two strands are highly unstable and want to snap back together. Specialized proteins instantly lock onto the exposed wires, holding them safely apart. In fact, humanity recently captured this exact process on video for the first time. Now enters the master builder, DNA polymerase. It grabs free-floating genetic letters and snaps them into place like Lego bricks. The rule is absolute. A always pairs with T, and C always pairs with G. But there is a major catch. DNA polymerase is a very strict contractor. It can only build in one specific direction, from what scientists call the 5' end to the 3' end. For one of the strands, called the leading strand, this is easy. The builder just follows right behind the unzipping helicase, laying down new DNA in a smooth, continuous run. But the other strand is upside down. To solve this, the factory uses a brilliant, chaotic hack. It loops the DNA and builds backwards in short, stuttering segments, known as Okazaki fragments. Because these fragments are disconnected, another specialized machine called DNA ligase sweeps through. Like a molecular welder, it glues these fragments together into a seamless chain. This entire coordinated dance moves at a staggering speed of 50 base pairs per second. At this blistering pace, mistakes are inevitable. But DNA polymerase has a built-in proofreader. If it inserts the wrong letter, it immediately stops, reverses its engine, cuts out the error, inserts the correct letter, and resumes. The result? Only one mistake is made for every billion letters copied. This is a level of precision that human engineering can only dream of. When the dust settles, you are left with two identical DNA molecules. This is called semi-conservative replication. Every new double helix keeps one original strand from the past and builds one brand new strand for the future. It is an unbroken chain of information, passed down since the very dawn of life on Earth. The most beautiful, complex machine in the universe is working flawlessly inside right now.